applicable here. Okay, in three-phase analysis. Parang compute mo yung power, complex man yan, or ano, in each phase, and then we add it up. Okay? So, tatandaan nyo na muna yung relationship ng phase currents relative to the line currents. The same with the relationship of the phase and the voltage. Phase and line voltages. Ganun lang muna. Okay? Wala tayong tatanggalin sa mga previous na formulas natin. Magagamit yun as we proceed with the analysis ng three-phase. Anything else? Alex, naunawaan mo ba? Nawala. AFK to. Okay, so kung wala na guys,